Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll study how to read reading on floating carriage micrometer. In this video, you can find this image will tell you about the floating carriage micrometer machine. Basically, it is used for screw metrology. For effective diameter measurement of screw, this machine is used. Students find difficulty while handling this machine that they are not able to read the values over this micrometer drum just because presence of three scales. In this image, you'll find that there are three scales marked here. This is main scale, circular scale, and this is the vernier scale. But students have the confusions about how to read this value. So this video will definitely help the student to read this floating carriage micrometer accurately. As I said, these are the three scales. This one is the main scale, this is the circular scale, and this one is the vernier scale. On main scale, you'll find that the smallest division value is of 0.5 mm. Some basic observations mentioned here. If you want to calculate the final reading formula is main scale reading plus circular scale reading into list count plus vernier scale reading into list count. So total divisions on circular scales are 250. This is the circular scale where total number of divisions are of 250 divisions. Total divisions on vernier scale are 10. These are the total vernier divisions. So there are 10 divisions on the vernier scale. And smallest measurable value on main scale is 0.5 mm. So this is the 0.5 mm divisions on main scale. So these are the basic observations that you must know. Let's discuss about the list count. Basically, list count formula is, or the meaning of list count is smallest measurable division on main scale divided by total number of divisions on circular scale. So based on our observation, if you calculate list count, you'll find that 0.5 mm divided by 250 is equal to 0.002 mm. So up to, if I'm considering only two scales, main scale and circular scale, up to circular scale, you'll find that the list count is 0.002. So here I can say the list count used for circular scale calculation, you have to use list count, that is the 0.002 mm. Now if I want to calculate list count further, that is for vernier scale, in that case the formula will be list count is equal to list count by considering circular scale upon total number of divisions on vernier scale. So here we have calculated previously, that is 0.002 mm divided by total number of divisions on vernier scale are 10. So the final list count here for vernier scale will be 0.0002 mm. So let's consider, or let's read the one value. So this image is for your reference. Now here you can see that this is the main scale. Okay, so on the main scale this 10 mm is completed, even 10.5 mm is also visible. So your main scale reading, which is complete dimension which you can measure on main scale, is 10.5. so that we can put here. Then there are total 250 divisions on this micrometer drum. So out of this 250, 167th number division is matching or is just below the 0 of vernier scale. This is the 167th number out of 250 divisions on circular drum or micrometer drum. So here I am going to write 167 and the list count, that is the LC. The value of CSR is 167 and the list count up to CSR is 0.002. If you carefully observe here, the multiplication of this both value is 0.334. Normally, the manufacturer of this machine made one good modification or simple ease of reading. They did that, you can see here, and they have directly written the 0.32 or 0.32, right? And after 5 division they have written here 0.33. It means that after 0.32 this division is of 0.322. This one is 0.324, 0.326, 0.328, and this one is the 0.33. So this one is the 0.332 and this one is for 0.334. So whatever the multiplication what we are getting here, that is directly printed on the drum. So on shop floor or in the lab, if any person is measuring or handling this machine, he don't require to use any calculator or pen pencil for the calculation. So whatever the multiplication that person has to do, that is already printed on the micrometer drum. But student must know, if you are getting this answer, it means 167th number division out of 250 on micrometer drum is matching here. Now another important thing that I want to mention here is, if you carefully observe the zero of this vernier scale and this division is quite close to zero. It's not after zero, it's before zero. This division, that is the 0.334 division, is just close to zero. So the complete dimension which we can measure on circular scale is 0.334. So that is taken here. Now next what we have to observe is, out of this 10 division on vernier scale, which division line is matching with the any line of this circular scale. So if you carefully observe, number 1th line is matching with this line of circular scale. So this is the 1. So your VSR value is 1. If I multiply 1 by its list count, that is the 0.0002, you will get the answer is 0.0002. So basically on the instrument they have printed the values which is the multiplied number. Last digit of this multiplied number means what? The one number line represents 2, like 2 number line represents 4. So likewise, to reduce the time for the calculation, they have directly printed here what the value we are getting after the multiplication. So very simple. If we now we have the values of main scale reading, circular scale reading, and vernier scale reading. If you take the addition, you will get the answer is 10.8342. I hope this video has helped you to read the floating carriage micrometer. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and you can write your in comment box if you want any further more video in the field of this mechatronics and metrology and quality control. You can write me in the comment box. So thank you.